All right, greetings from Hanover again. I'm here in a Phoenix Context booth with Martin. Martin, give us an overview of the Proficloud and how is it different than any of the IoT platforms out there?
Sure, well, it's traditionally been difficult to get data off of devices that are used in industrial contexts, and Phoenix has a lot of different devices that are used all over factory floors, in buildings, for energy management, for all sorts of purposes. And what we're trying to do is to enable these devices to connect to the cloud, in our case Proficloud IO, and make it easy for companies to see their devices, how they're doing, check on their health, send them firmware updates. And the point is really simplicity and speed. You don't need to do much. You get a device with a number, you enter it, it's registered, and it becomes usable to you immediately.
Great insights there. Now, you've mentioned simplicity. That sounds like you can make it available for small to mid-sized company. What's in it for them? How would they extract value out of this?
Well, absolutely. You don't need an IT department to get started. It's all browser-based, so you enter an ID. You immediately, for instance, can see the state of a device. Let's say it is used for power supply. You can, and let's say it went into battery mode, and you want to know how much battery is left until there's a problem. And you can do that from the comfort of your desk, so you don't have to be out on the factory floor everywhere. You can see how your devices are doing. You can do, predictive maintenance in a sense, and just have more data available to you to make better decisions.
Got it. Better decisions. Now, what's next as you're getting this data in the cloud and more data is available? What do you expect next for Phoenix Context in terms of leveraging the data?
Well, we definitely have a lot of long way to go. So right now we're talking about having the data available. Next, we want to really be able to use some intelligence on top of the data that we can, do even more in the way of predictive maintenance. Really to smarten up industry, and run intelligence, machine learning models against this data.
Thank you, Martin. And if you're in the audience and have questions for Martin, feel free to post them there and we'll get Martin or somebody in the team to answer them.
Great, thanks.